Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. As I continue to work through the ABRSM Grade 6 Music Theory Workbook, we now look at question 3B, exercise 7. In question 3B, we are required to compose a short freestyle melody in the style of a given opening. In this particular exercise, we are given the opening bars of a scherzo for cello. The quirky characteristics of a scherzo could be seen in the irregular time signature, and I give tips on how to use fragments of this to create thematic unity in your composition. I suggest a brief modulation to the relative major before returning back to the tonic key. Of course, we must be aware that the melody we write will imply harmonic choices. We need to be aware of the cadence points that we are implying with our melody line. And of course, we also need to bear in mind the technical requirements and the range of the instrument for which we are composing. The full lesson can be found on my Patreon channel. If you visit patreon.com/Sharon Bill, you can find the full lesson there, and you can find links to this lesson in the cards and in the description box. After this short little video, you can see sample examples taken from the full Patreon lesson, showing you how I work with you bar by bar, explaining compositional strategies and helping you every step of the way. Everything you need to understand this advanced level music theory can be found in my Harmony and Composition textbook. This book is available from Amazon, and you can find links to this in the cards and in the description box also. Enjoy your studies. So we've got lots of opportunities here. Now the key that we're in, we've got no key signature, we've got a G sharp, so we can see that we're in A minor. So traditionally you perhaps expect to modulate to the relative major, to C major. So ordinarily we'd perhaps aim for a perfect cadence in our C major here. Usually we're looking for 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We might swap that around a bit, because if we're going for a joke kind of style, I don't see why sometimes we can't do a 2 and a 3, just to kind of be a little bit daring there. And then if I tie that over, so I'm keeping the rhythmic shape, because I want to end up to a C here, because if I'm moving into C major, I want 5, 1, and I need to finish, I want to end on a middle C there. So A, B, C, that would work, but I think I can do that because it's a joke. So that G sharp, and then that staccato will sort of slide us back into the main melody, bringing in back this phrase A, C, E, F, tie, E. So I've done a direct copy of their opening. So now I need to sort of wander off and do something different. Bum, ba-da-dum. Follow the way they've done their stems. Dum, dum. That's that. So chord 5, E, G, B. So if I go 4, D, B, A, and that finishes that. Now, because we're kind of playing around with matters, we'll drop back again to return to our original key, a little quieter than before. This section here, but not quite as quiet as it was, and then we'll just have a rousing finish from moderate quiet to forte.